Hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox the Zhiyun Crane M2S combo gimbal. So let's just jump into the unboxing. Okay, so it looks like it comes with a nice bag, carrying bag, and there is nothing else in the box. Let's open it up. The bag is very nice and sturdy. It feels like leather, probably it's not, but it's very cold to the touch. And it has quite a few little pockets. This one is empty. Pocket on the side as well. And let's see. So it actually goes around the whole package. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so here is the gimbal itself. Oh, it's locked in place actually by two straps. So here is the gimbal. Let's peel off the paper. It's very cool, very stable, right? It has a nice grip, and we are going to try it in a bit. Let's see what else do we have in the box. Here's the tripod that you can use. You can install the whole gimbal on it, so you can, let's actually try it on. You just screw it in very easily, and now you can use your gimbal as a stand. You can open it up like this, and it can stand smoothly. Let's see what else. There is a strap, so you can carry the... Oh, maybe it's for the bag actually, because on the other side, as you can see, it has a few connections, so you can use the bag as a backpack maybe. And what's on the other side? Quite a few things. This is probably a connection piece for a phone, maybe. This is where you can hold your phone. It's very, very high quality material. It's metal, very heavy, and the interior, the inside is soft, so it doesn't damage your phone. You can install it on the crane. What else? This is another connection piece. This is probably the stand that you can install here for the camera with the screw. And here are a few cables. Let's see what kind of cables do they provide for the crane. So it has a micro USB to USB-C connection, a USB-C to USB-C, and a USB-C to A. Let's see what else. Some paperwork, what are these? Service card, and that's pretty much it. Let's see if we missed anything, but I don't think so. Maybe in the outside flop, no. So that's pretty much it, what comes with the gimbal. In future videos we are going to review it and show you all the ways that you can use it and how to set up it with different cameras and phones. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.